Hey small business owners, have you recently launched a website on the multi-sites platform for your local business and purchased a custom domain via Hostgator? That was a very smart move because having a custom domain for your local business website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to connect your custom domain to your new website. Let's jump in. If you've just randomly stumbled across this video, you haven't launched a website on multi-sites, you haven't even heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Multi-sites is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So if you haven't tried it yet, be sure to click on the link below this video and get started with that 7-day free trial. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. So I've already launched a website for my catering company on the multi-sites platform and purchased a custom domain via Hostgator, as I said. To connect it, if you're on editing mode, all you need to do is click on this button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you are in your Marty dashboard, you can go ahead and click on connect to domain here under custom domain. Great. Now, as I said, I've already purchased my custom domain via Hostgator. If you don't have a custom domain yet, you absolutely can purchase one via the multi-sites platform as well. It's super convenient. But as I said, I've already purchased a custom domain, so I'm going to go ahead and select this option. I've already purchased my domain somewhere else. Great. Multi-sites makes use of entry, which makes connecting your domain super simple. It literally does it all for you. All you need to do is type in your custom domain URL over here and click on continue. Remember, this process will help you connect a domain that you already own. If you want to register a new domain, go ahead and click over here to purchase it. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Great. Now entry will try to detect my domain host. I'm now going to click on continue, and multi-sites will analyze my domain, and automatically it's picked up Hostgator. I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Great. Let me put in my login details over here so I can sign in. Click on continue to give one-time permission to connect your domain. You may get an email saying someone's trying to access your account. Don't worry. Great. A code has been sent to my email address. Let me go check that out and pop that in and click on continue. This may take a couple minutes. In actual fact, it took a couple seconds. It's detected the existing records for my custom domain. Please confirm that you'd like to update these records. Okay, continue. It's now setting up my custom domain automatically, doing all the hard work. It may take a couple minutes, and literally it was quite quick. It's now configured. Changes typically take less than a few hours to go live. However, it can take up to 48 hours. So if you check back in an hour or two, it's still not connected, don't stress. It can take up to 48 hours. I'm now going to go ahead and click on done. My domain is now connected. My site will be online shortly. Everything is going to sync up, so I can go ahead, grab a coffee because I'm done. It was so easy to connect my custom domain on the multi-sites platform. Of course, multi-sites makes use of entry. And of course, if you don't have a multi-sites website yet, click on that link down below to sign up for that 7-day free trial. Try it out, see how well it works for you and your small business. If you have any questions about multi-sites, pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer all your questions. All the best.